Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to add products and services in QuickBooks Online. For you to do that, you must have first of all registered or log in into your QuickBooks account. So I'm going to get to my QuickBooks account, and there are two ways to get to the Service and Product Center in the to create the products and services. You can either come on the vertical bar here under Sales. You take Products and Services, and the Products and Service Center is going to appear with the different existing products. If you have not yet created a product, you're going to see here written at the middle, Create New Product. Second method to get here is to come on the gear icon, take All List, and in All List you're going to see here Products and Services. It will take you back to this same place. For you to create a new product, you can come to the icon for new, where taking the drop down list you have the possibility to import products, maybe from Excel. In our case, we're going to take new, and we take new. The different products type in QuickBooks Online are going to appear. You can create an inventory product, a non-inventory product, where an inventory product is going to track all the quantities that came in, out, and give you a stock available. Non-inventory are for those products that you might not want to track the quantities which were purchased or the quantities which are left in stock. We have services which will be different from inventory products, and we have bundles which are made up of a combination of products or products and services. In our case, I'm going to create, for example, a service. So when I click on it here, I have the possibility to put a name. I'm going to give it a name, general fund, or yes, general donations, for example. General donations. And on this side you have the possibility to add an image to the service you're creating. Down here you have the possibility to create a category or add this service on a category. Category in QuickBooks Online in the creation of products and services helps you to better organize your different products in your products and service center, where all the products are going to be subdivided into different categories. In our case, I might want to select the category contributions. You can click here on Add New, so that you have the possibility to create a new category on which you are going to place the product or service you're creating. You have the possibility to add the class, to assign a class to this particular service, which is general donation, and we already saw how to create classes in QuickBooks Online. So in this case, I'm going to, for example, say that this general donation, the preferred class for it is admin. Here you have the possibility to put a description on which will appear on the sales form or invoice. If you intend to maybe give specifications in the sales invoice or in the sales receipt, you might want to allow this empty such that you can put it there. Yeah, you can give it a rate. If you have a fixed rate, you can put the fixed rate or the fixed price of the products or service. But for the case of a donation, we're just going to allow this empty such that when we are preparing the sales receipts or might be the invoice, we have the possibility to put the amount there. Here you have to attach an income account to the service or product you're creating. So here I will not want to select sales, because here is what I have, sales. I want to create an income account on which I'm going to categorize this donation such that each time I receive this donation, it enters in the particular account. So I'm going to categorize it as non-profit revenue. Then I'm going to call it contributions. So I take save and close. Means this service is going to place under an account number in the chart of account as contributions. If you intend to make this service appear in both sales forms and the purchase form, you might want to add the purchase information. If you intend, for example, to make in such a way that this product, how will I say, that this service is attached to, or you want to attach might be expenses related to this particular service, you might want to tick this box such that this product or service should appear in purchase forms. So when you're done doing this, you can take save and close. So when you save it, you're going to see it will take you back to your product center, and you can see it has recategorized it, general product. From here you can edit the product and put any other modification. You can come to new to add another service, and up here on the settings you can set up the way the sales center should appear. Should it show, for example, grouped by category, or I can take compact. I might want to select the columns which should appear and the ones which should not appear. Like for example, the income account, like you can see, has been added, the expense account. So this is just to change or to manipulate the interface. If you want to create categories and you do not want to pass through the creation of a product, when you come to the gear icon here, you can come to list, all lists, and below products and services you have here, add products categories. So already I created one category during the creation of the first item, and if I want to create more, I can just come here and take add new category. So this is a short view on how to create products or services in QuickBooks Online. However, when you are into the creation of a product, you're going to have the possibility to now put the cost. Remember, we just created a service, so we do not have to put the cost price of it. So get to you in our next video.